We ready for the road march.
Take out your camera, put on your flash, make them all know it. Tell them how much, and when you pass through, tell them if you watch. Cause when you're white,
We're outside again. It's the 2022 staging of Jamaica Carnival, and it's time for Bacchanal.
People man, now the people man, them the warrior. On the IG post you look nice, 1 million followers, 1 million likes, a zillion long tongue ring.
Now that you're outside, we're finally on the road again. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling really good. You know, it's my first time on the road playing with Bacchanal, and it's just been amazing. The vibe from start to finish, and the lunch is good.
Come here, Road Marshal. The Road Marshal had to be on the road.
Of course, I am the road marshal, so there cannot be a road without me.
Auntie Charmaine, Bacchanal has been a part of our family, and we have been a part of your family. How does it feel to be back on the road?
Wonderful. It's so great to be happy.
Come here, how you enjoying Bacchanal?
He's Jamaican. Celebrating the culture.
jump on a stranger, wine on a friend. Good on.
I go drink water and mind my business. Drink water and mind my business.
Why is it so important for Jamaica to keep, doing carnival?
Carnival is a way to express yourself and create it.
Recreation is always good, and you lose a little recreation to relax the mind.
Of course, we're on the road. It's 2022 Carnival in Jamaica. The sun is hot. We're fetting. But I found Richie. Hi, Richie. How you doing?
Hey, go on, Carnival Jamaica, Bacchanal. Hey, tell ya, the vibe nice though.
It is amazing, Richie. How has your experience been so far? Is it your first carnival?
Hey, first time Carnival for me. Sorry, I'm a Jamaican, but this vibe is nice. Hey, very intense.
Very intense indeed. Well, I think I'm going to hand over to Richie because I'm going to chip down the road. All right, so Richie, I your time now.
I watch it now, Carnival.
No time for no anger, I'm smiling with me hands up.
This girl, what vibe like right now?
Yo, I remember tell you, say, yo, if Chris Gill never there, so Carnival wanna keep. May I tell you that straight up, Universe boss lock it, and him shot it, and intense, mash it.
Happy, Mr. Happy, cause I ever happy, yeah.
I want to enjoy the vibe like today. Vibe is wicked, I love the vibe, we love that Jamaica Carnival back again.
No, nothing can get to me.
Dark man, your vibe is now.
No, nothing can get to me.
Carnival was secure, one
I
thing
don't have no problem. Life's too sweet, I can't complain. The only
The road march is finally over. All roads lead to the after parties right now. Intense out.